Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to fix Telegram sorry you can only send messages to mutual contacts error, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix this channel cannot be displayed Telegram error with 5 best fixes. Since you are unable to send message to other person in Telegram so, the first thing you need to do is relaunching the Telegram app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the issue or not. Besides, relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. Contacting the spam info bot is a great way to restore full functionality to your restricted Telegram account. It can help you check active account restrictions and will provide a detailed description of why it happened. For this, open Telegram and tap the search icon in the top right. Search and open the spam info bot, tap start bot, wait a few seconds to see your account status. Restricted accounts will receive a detailed message with the underlying reasons and a support link. If the bot denies any account restriction but you believe it is incorrect, press but I can't message non-contacts. Follow the on-screen instructions to revert restrictions on your Telegram account. Telegram account restrictions typically lift within 24 to 48 hours, automatically restoring full access. But repeat offenses or frequent violations can extend these restrictions for days or even weeks. So, wait patiently and avoid using Telegram for some time to get your account back on track. Telegram X is one of the best Telegram client apps, providing a more fluid browsing experience than the original app. You can switch to Telegram X and see if you can message non-mutual contacts through it or not. The app is available for download on Google Play Store. You can also try using Telegram on your PC to see if that resolves the issue. The next solution you can try to solve sorry you can only send messages to mutual contacts error is to contact Telegram support and get further help. Navigate to Telegram support's official website, type your problem, email, and phone number here. Click submit. So, this is all about fixing Telegram sorry you can only send messages to mutual contacts error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.